That's another Air Force too?
Yes! It's a 737 one, Daddy.
Maybe it's Air Force 2.
Oh, yeah. Do they have to make a lot of them? The last 747 just retired in 2022. Even though,
Are they going to replace the 747s?
yes,
To what?
giant engine.
Wow.
Bigger than a face, bigger than a tree,
Wow.
bigger than a car,
Wow.
bigger than that tree.
Can you tell me more about the other planes that you know about?
The A320, the A318 is gonna retire.
How come they're retiring so many planes?
Airbus has a new future.
What's their new feature?
They're gonna have some weird planes. But while Boeing, on the other hand, the 797 is gonna be the shape of a B-2 Spirit. Okay, banana.
That was a Spirit airline.
People keep calling it banana.
With a banana airline?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Banana Airlines is about to life.